Public Relation Officer of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Sarfo Duku, a confirm say Kotoko ever sign another striker, and he's going to be the last signing at Kotoko Baye in the first round. Yeah, Yame. Would him say any dates almost 11. Na akabe 5 days. Na ya close to transfer window no. And Sarfo Duku the information we my say yemfama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. For ne ahwefo a mo ha sei no so to say the official Sarfo Duku aka se Kotoko be sign player ba ko aka ho na player ba ko Kotoko be sign aka ho o trebu say e be striker. Yes, and to say the option no, it is left between Elvis, Ade, Bernard, Cobbler Jr. and why be there is this, these two players in Kwanaka. But players na omo training with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Sarfo Duku actually say omo die ebeye den. Make player a friend no Messi no. Messi die no minim sa ba kura Kotoko be sign no. A bit my Messi na as a Messi situation here different because Messi no already is training with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Meka Messi na seniors meka Godfred Nyako Messi player na wakobo Simba na wasa akobo club South Africa waba Ghana currently on Kotoko ye training no ho asem na meka the situation on the Kotoko ye training extra player meaning say ono ene beye player Kotoko be sign but Sarfo Duku official confirmation na why say e ba ko zizi no bit my yes Nyako no a bit me I Bernard the end me sure say be possible because player the mother club no Niger na enkomodie no ebe long na Cobbler Jr. so Port City. Yes, it is these players no and I hope say a China Monday ye rem no obeti se Kotoko assign striker ba ko aka ho amanaye two players adding to Prince Bedu as a Prince Bedu Kotoko fan Free Nations FC. And say no way ebe ka ho amanaye two or see two pen Kotoko so already ba ko ba dia nature say aka ba ko and o chim say ebe forward. So right now it is left between Nyako, yes, Cobbler Jr. Port City and Bernard Elvis. Interesting days ahead. And then Kotoko Bobo Mensaka probable 11 no. I was made the mount. Probable 11 versus Berekum Chelsea. We are 3:30. I understand the game no L TV so it's more brochure, more outside Kumasi no. Me a monitor game no from there. And see without much I do, my member line up name but Kotoko reaction will beat me a join it 0247 107260 0247 107260 and only Kumasi Asante Kotoko WhatsApp group as well the me say Kai be say he sponsors and see over person over sponsor ya mobe fa the same number na only ye dikasubum ewo fa number no dwumadi aye di no ha no enye se wo dwadie bia opese wudi enye se wo ade bia opese ye boho da roma nko a na emom no dwuma aye die no se so wani a obetimi aboa e fa number na kwan bia so opese obo ama dwumadi no konkan no get in touch na yensum Kumasi Asante Kotoko no ewo ho now wamemfa line up no emma I'm told to say goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara and we on the bedem for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Mohamed Kamara and them. Na on the right side no. What I was told they say Lord Amwa Kotoko ne Kimfesa game no say Kimfesa play Anitia and also but thank God information I mean say can say no what on fully obetimi a start but enye assured nti ebetimi ono na first choice sa bibia nsi a ono na be ba be start but sa Emmanuel Kote so start ya Emmanuel Nyanwa so two hono e 50-50 but what I say two hono e 50-50 between Emmanuel Kote and the regular tour obo which is Lord Amwa and at 3 or no dear, Asimbian or a Patrick Esiadu, and about 3. Patrick Esiadu never about 3. And 4 and 5 for no Hamzata Ejina Ho. But Samba Unel, and Henry Ansu, a muba never started. By 4 near Hamzata, the Pacho Utieme, 4 near Hamzata, Nemuno, 5 no, and a bit my Kumasa Santa Kotoko, Henry Ansu, and I say, Samba on because Samba on Shadanye training with Kotoko this week. I don't know what I was told. It's no. And you call 6 no information I mean I can say a bit me I Hilary Adabo and I say Prince Bedu. Hilary Adabo and I say Prince Bedu. It's a mummy and abako at the best start just before the central defense no and only what I've been told. Yes. Now wabo Peter Midwakwa on the left. Yes, Peter Midwakwa on the left. Now wabo this guy Inusa Adams on the right. Inusa Adams on the right. Now you know in the offensive side of midfield no I'm told to say Obebo ayi wo mfimfini kwadwo set wo mfimfini no abo Hubert Joe ewo the offensive area of the midfield for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, which is Hubert Joe. Then Donzo will be the man to lead the attack for Kumasi Asante Kotoko against my friend of Berekum Chelsea. And they March day 18 league no first round ya boy we and I say share based on omo aye call omo away no omo so buy your home. Yes, into we March day 18. So this is the lineup Mensa Eka and then away ahead of Kumasi Asante Kotoko and then to my friend Berekum Chelsea. Komodia na bendi di kan no. Mamenka will say a Sarfo Duku official communication and ahead of preparation towards Berekum Chelsea game and okotina pure FM and omeki sa confirmation is a Kotoko ever sign the player back account a player back Kotoko sign account. The player is going to be a striker on a pure FM and a train sankumo way and mitibia the update neighbor and there's a super and bonus academy. That's the official stance of Asante Kotoko.